Hello, today I have for you a very special fountain pen from my collection. It is a vintage Montblanc Meisterstück 136 from the beginning of 1950s. It is made from celluloid and it has these beautiful gold-plated trims. It's a very elegant fountain pen, and I will talk about it. First, why do I say this is a fountain pen from the early 50s? You can see that on the top of the cap, there is this logo, which was made from a material called casein. This material over time develops this beautiful ivory patina. In comparison, I will show you Montblanc Meisterstück 144 model from the early 80s, and you can see the difference, the different color of the Montblanc logo. I continue with this cap, and you can see this clip, gold-plated clip. It's in pristine condition for its age. The only markings on these clips are the two X's behind the clip. The cap continues with this triple cap band. Practically, it's a large band between two smaller ones. On the cap is imprinted Montblanc Masterpiece. Why masterpiece and not Meisterstück? Because this particular model was intended for the export market. It continues with the celluloid barrel, which is divided from the piston knob by this small gold trim. The piston, it is a piston filler system, but this is a special filling system. It's called the piston telescopic filling mechanism. Practically, the piston is telescoped inside the barrel, and it can provide a larger ink capacity. This is a complex system, and the cost of productions were quite high, and in time Montblanc decided to replace it with a more simple piston filling mechanism. On this particular model, the piston filling mechanism has some imprints on it. The first one is 146, the name of the pen. Another F, which stood for a fine nib, and an interesting enigma, an O point K point imprint, which I have a theory. It is the name of a distributor, Montblanc distributor outside Germany, because this is an export model masterpiece. The cap turns and it reveals a beautiful nib, two-toned 14 karat 585 Montblanc nib, which is quite extraordinarily beautiful. On the back of the nib is a little surprise. It's a ski slope type feed. In my opinion, I believe this is the most beautiful feed ever made by Montblanc. It highlights the shape of the nib, and it is quite beautiful. The pen continues with the grip section, which is a concave one. It holds a lot of grip, and an ink viewer window, which unfortunately at the earliest model of 146 are quite opaque. This is the fountain pen. I will show you a writing sample. This is the one comparison I want to make with the Pelican M800 with a Montblanc 134 and with a Lamy 2000. I hope you can see them. I will try to move the camera. Yes, so this is a small comparison. I will try to put them side by side so you can see for yourself. So this is a little side comparison. I hope you've enjoyed my small video, and if you want to see more fountain pens from my collection, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can address them in the comments and I will try to answer as many as I can. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.